Hello. Hi. Welcome to the Bewildered Channel's first video on this channel. We're going to be working on some projects. And behind me, that's my garage, and that's where a lot of those projects will be taking place. So first of all, thank you. Thank you for being here. We're going to have a lot of fun. As we begin to work on my first car project, we're going to be taking things a little slow. I'm going to have some special guests, but I want you to know that I'm not a professional. I'm more of a shade tree mechanic, you could say. I'm really excited to show this to you. And without further ado, let's take a look behind the Iron Curtain, shall we? And, oh, wait. Wait. Well, that was embarrassing. Let's try that again. Okay. Welcome to my project. The 1977 Lotus Esprit S1. It's the very first one that they made. Not the first one, but it's up there. It's like 200 something. This beautifully Italian designed, British manufactured lemon wedge shaped pie, basically, is my project, which I plan to start on the channel. This Italian designed wonder, which was designed by Giugiaro, is so cool, and I'm really excited to have this thanks to the efforts of Colin Chapman with Lotus, and of course Mr. Bond. I always wanted one of these, and now here we are. We have one, and I'm really looking forward to kind of working through all of the bits and bobs and different things that are broken with it. I'm excited. So this is what we're going to be working on. can see, it needs some work. Well, maybe a lot of work. But I'm looking forward to having you join me on the journey. And also, we're going to have a guest, maybe even a few guests. But one in particular, sometimes grumpy, sometimes worrisome co-host of mine, will be joining us soon. You'll see. So stick around for that. Next, taking apart those Zenith Stromberg carburetors. There's 2 of them, and we need to take those apart and clean them up and see if we can refresh it. I want this to be a running project, something that is drivable while we're in the process of restoring it. So stay tuned for that. That's pretty much it, unless I decide to go the submarine route. Otherwise, that's the project. Wish us luck as we get this thing running.
Join Rob next time when he says...
What was that? Anyway, thank you for joining us. We're going to have a lot of fun, so please stay tuned. And remember to drink water, stay healthy, and be safe. You can watch another video on this channel. Bye for now. Take care.